Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about ways to increase your chances of winning government cleaning contracts. So if you're interested in things that you can do step by step, wait right here and look at this video. That way you can learn exactly what you need to do moving forward. Okay, step by step. One of the things you need to do is increase what you do. Now, I know I speak a lot about janitorial, which is 561720. Well, there's one that actually encompasses even more, and that's facility support services, which is NAICS code 561210. Now, for those of you that do not know what a NAICS code is, it's the actual description, numerical description that the government uses to talk about what you're going to provide them, either in product or services. So custodian or janitorial or housekeeping, all of that is under the 561720. But if you're looking to do landscaping, or if you're talking about guards, security guard or security of any sort, there's so many other areas that you can look on when it comes to providing facility services support. And like I said, that's NAICS code 561210. Now, why does that matter? Well, step number one, the reason why it matters is because the more you're able to offer the government, the more competitive you're going to be able to be. Because one of the things they love is a one-stop shop. The government loves to spend money, and they love spending money with small businesses that can do more than one thing, or they can provide more than one service in more than one area. So if you're able to do this, guess what? They're going to look at utilizing you a lot more. Number two, because you're able to do more and provide more facility support, there's going to be a lot more that you're going to be able to team up with others. So let's say, for instance, you're looking to do facility support services. No worries. You can do janitorial, someone else can do security, someone else can do guard services. So it actually provides more teaming opportunities, which means there's a lot of smaller companies like ours and yours that can team up with other companies and do an outstanding job. And number three, it's because it makes sense. It makes sense to be able to add more really services that the government wants, that makes sense when it comes to being more competitive and being more agile. So I love having the facility support services. Now, there's so many others you can do. Carpet services, window services, exterior building. Look at that on NAICS code. That's NAICS.com, and look and put in the actual keywords of what you're looking for to provide to the government. I absolutely love government services, contracting. I know there's a lot of moving parts, but if you stay focused and stay committed, you'll be able to create a lifestyle that's going to be beyond what you can imagine when it comes to the money and the availability of contracts when you are really focused on winning. So hopefully, adding more services and teaming up with more and being available in more than just one service, being available in the state of Florida instead of just the city of Orlando, or the state of Virginia instead of only Alexandria, Virginia. So those are just a couple of things that you want to pay attention to. Now, if you're really serious about what you need to do to win government cleaning contracts or to provide facility support services like we spoke about earlier, then guess what you can do? You can actually attend my free masterclass where I go over this in great detail. I share my screen with you, and I actually give you an opportunity to learn step by step what you need to do to meet the basic requirements, how to market to government contracting officers, how to find the bid solicitation, and how to make sure that you stand out among all the other ones that are talking the same thing. You're going to craft something that's going to actually make you unique, and I'm going to help you craft that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you look at all the others opportunities that I add in the description. Click the link to attend that or one of my other free masterclasses. We have limited space. Time is of the essence. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Make sure you click the link to register. And in the next video, I'm going to go into what you need to do to make sure after you've won that bid, how to perform so that you don't lose the contract. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.